welcome back. It's Jyoti. How you doing? कैसे हैं आप? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to cover a track that is very, very special to me. I have heard it, but some of y'all actually requested that I cover it, and I'm only too happy to oblige क्योंकि मैंने ये गाना ओशो की live performance में सुना था, which he was very kind to invite me to back in February this year, Feb 2025. I remember because मैं अपनी छुट्टियों से वापस आई थी इंडिया, and just that week I got a message from him, and I'm really glad that he thought of me because मैंने उन पे एक रील बनाई थी और मैंने लोगों को recommend किए थे ओशो के गाने last year. I was like, if you're looking for soulful, pure, real music that just makes your heart happy, then explore Osho's catalog. And that was a video or reel I made for Instagram, and I didn't really think anything except that I want to try and get more people to consume this man's art because it's so beautiful. So either way, he ended up inviting me, which came out of nowhere, and it was for his show at the Nita Mani Cultural Center the next day. And I was like, I'm dropping everything and going for this. I need to. And it's called the Osho Jain Experience, his show. And now it's traveling around India. So please, if he's coming to your city, try to not miss it. I have recommended it so much since that day. I even found I was so mesmerized during that show that I didn't record anything. There were people who recorded snippets. I think at the end मैंने वो और उनकी बैंड थैंक यू बोल रहे थे, तब मैंने शायद एक छोटी सी वीडियो या फोटो ली होगी. But it was one of the most memorable nights, core memory stuff. I won't forget it because ओशो जैसे आपको एक सॉर्ट ऑफ जर्नी पे ले जाते हैं अपने लाइव शो में. बहुत रेयरली होता है लाइव गिग्स में एंड परफॉर्मेंसेस में. ही इज लाइक यू नो you almost feel like you're in a play and you're not watching the play, you're in it, you're with them. आप एक कैरेक्टर हो जो सीन में है और देख रहा है, और जो सीन में चल रहा है, और जो like situations आ रही हैं वो आप महसूस कर रहा है. और it's like you're in the story and he tells you stories from his life. He takes you on a journey with him, and while you're there you are connecting it to stuff in your life, and you are feeling every word and every line and every lyric of every song. And even the way him and his band members, who by the way every single one of them, the backup vocalist Sanchi, everyone on the band, everyone is brilliant, and the way they contribute to the entire sort of presentation of the Osho Jain experience is just amazing. It has to be experienced live. It has to be experienced live. I cannot stress this enough, guys. He's on a tour in India. Do not miss. And for the future, when he does a tour outside of India and around the world, if you're in one of the cities that he goes to, do not miss it. I can't praise it enough because आजकल ऐसे pure artists बहुत कम मिलते हैं, और ऐसे live experiences और ऐसे moments जो आपके साथ बहुत टाइम तक रहेंगे, बहुत we just don't find them, right? We just don't. So, and I love telling someone this because I think right after him I experienced Sid Sriram live, and again transfixed. From the moment he took the mic till the end of that night, we were just transfixed. And these were my 3 live gigs, back to back to back. One was Karan Aujla in December, the next was Osho Jain, and the next was Sid Sriram. And just see how different they are in their music styles and in their catalogs and in just everything. But each one of these 3 gave me core memories, like feelings. And I just looked up and thanked God that I'm alive and here to experience music from these brilliant musicians. So it doesn't matter the genre, the style, as long as the artists are, and the band members and the musicians are just giving you their best in a live performance, then that is going to stay with you for a while. And all the 3 I mentioned, they all had live bands with them. They all had insanely talented musicians who have spent years perfecting their craft. And those kind of live music nights I cannot recommend enough. So, ठीक है, बहुत बात हो गई. Now let's listen to the song together. And if you haven't heard it already, listen to it for the first time with me and you'll know why it's gone viral on the charts now. And the funny thing is, I wondered after I finished Osho's like attending his show, I was like, why is he not featured on any of the prominent flagship playlists? Like, this is just fucking beautiful music. Just look at his catalog. Last year से मैं बोल रही हूँ अपने videos में और reels में, और अभी तक, like, I don't know what it takes to, so it honestly, it would irk me. But then, I feel like every song and every artist has their own destiny, and it is probably up to, maybe it is the responsibility of people like me and other creators like me who you guys discover music through, to get the word out there. So that's what I try to do. But it would just irk me a little bit that he wasn't. And now, 6-7 months after I experienced Dekha Hi Nahi for the first time at his show, that it went viral on the trending charts. And एक बार जब viral हो जाती है चीज, then that people come out to pounce on it. So then I get protective, obviously, of the artist and the art, and I'm like, okay, I hope they stay this thing grounded and real in the times to come as well. But I'm happy that it blew up. I'm happy that it went viral, and I'm happy it finally got playlisted on other big flagship playlists across platforms. And I'm happy that he's getting platformed by um, people and brands. So all that said, very happy for the artist, and very hopeful that um, the purity of the art doesn't change here on, because he's meant for the big leagues. And I say that with a lot of confidence. So chalo, let's listen to Dekha Hi Nahi. 1, 2, 3, play.
कभी कभी सोचता हूँ तेरी आंखों से सच्चा कुछ देखा ही नहीं, कितने फूल देखे मैंने तेरे जैसा कोई महका ही नहीं। मैंने सिक्के फेंके थे नदियों में, टूटते तारों से तुझे मांगा था। मैंने सपने देखे थे बस तेरे, पक्के दिल से तुझे पुकारा था। हो कभी कभी सोचता हूँ वादों का इतना पक्का कोई देखा ही नहीं। कितने फूल देखे मैंने तेरे जैसा कोई महका ही नहीं। मैं कांटों का आंगन था, बेमौसम सावन था, फिर तू आ गया। मैं शीशे का कमरा था, पत्थर का चेहरा था, फिर तू आ गया। हो कभी कभी सोचता हूँ तू ना आता तो कोई आता ही नहीं। मैंने सिक्के फेंके थे नदियों में, टूटते तारों से तुझे मांगा था। मैंने सपने देखे थे बस तेरे, पक्के दिल से तुझे पुकारा था। हो कभी कभी सोचता हूँ तेरी आंखों से सच्चा कुछ देखा ही नहीं। हाँ कितने फूल देखे मैंने तेरे जैसा कोई महका ही नहीं। कभी कभी सोचता हूँ देखा ही नहीं.
Oh, I mean, how can you not love this kind of honesty and purity and this, like, do we need anything more than just, a guitar and minimum instrumentation and maximum honesty and vulnerability and purity and yeah, just I just love this song. I love it so much. Also, because when I saw it live, it was him and Sachi standing and singing it to each other, looking at each other. It was just such a pure moment. And you listen to these lines and you're like, wow, man, so lucky are those who found the person who they can sing this to. You know, if you have found a person that you can sing these lines to, don't let them go. That's all I will say. Because for those of us who haven't, just listening to these lines, tears. I honestly, like, I was bawling. I was just like, oh my God, I couldn't breathe because, you're just crying your eyes out while they are singing this live and you're feeling every line because it's telling your story. It's telling, you know, how you have felt, what you have asked the universe for, and things like that. And your um, it just leaves you in such a pleasantly calm place, and it leaves you feeling like, at least for me, it left me feeling like this little sense of glee almost, where I'm like, like I will reach that point when I'm, dedicating this or singing this to someone. And anyway, I don't know what I'm saying, but I just loved how it ends. I love where it goes. I love how it talks about अगर मैं मिट्टी का वो नहीं पत्थर का वो था, which so many of us are, we're just stone cold face, um and actually हम ग्लास के वो होते हैं मकान, वो जो लाइन थी बीच में. And just so much relatability and realness in every single line and word of this. And if you find love like this in your life that you can say these lines to, then please just hold on for dear life. And that line of मैंने सिक्के फेंके थे नदियों में and टूटते तारों से तुझे मांगा था. Oof, oof, oof. That's why I lost it. I was just like bellowing. The tears were just bellowing over there. I think I think I will keep coming back to this song and this masterpiece, and I will keep reliving how I first experienced this song. And I'm actually so happy I had not heard this song before I went for his show. I'm so happy I got to hear it for the first time in that setting, in that environment with, oof, this is why I say it's like at the end of experiences like that, you just want to look up and say, thank you. Thank you that I'm alive. Thank you I got to experience this moment and this song and this art and this artist and this band and this performance. And I just couldn't be more grateful to be alive in this moment. So that one for the books. One for the books. Yeah. I hope when love finds me, it sounds like Dekha hi nahi. Someone has commented here, and yes, that's it. So I hope this kind of love everyone finds in their life. And Osho, you are just an absolute gem of an artist. And what you are doing by staying true to your art and to the thoughts you want to put out there in the world, to the kind of I don't know, old school nostalgia, old school emphasis on honest lyrics, um, the old school um, highlighting of the micro moments and emotions that we all experience in our life. वो सब बहुत पहले हुआ करता था, आजकल होता है, बहुत कम होता है. And I'm just so glad um, that you create your art the way you do. I immediately started tearing up, as you guys saw, and then I somehow controlled myself. But whoever has heard the song for the first time with me in this video, अब जाओ loop करो और गंगा बहाओ आंखों से. I'm just saying, you need it. It's therapeutic. Do it. Just do it. These kind of songs don't come along very often, and we must drown ourselves in them when they do. So, on that note, I will end this video here. Very thankful for Osho Jain, for the artist he is, and I wish him all the success in the world. Yeah, and go and follow me on Instagram. I have recommended him last year. You all would have already consumed all of his catalog had you been with me on that journey. So shameless plug here, but yeah, go follow me because I like my effort is to keep trying to shine the spotlight on honest pure artists like him. And now go and consume the rest of his catalog. You will not be disappointed. So yeah, chalo. And if you want to support my channel and the work I do, you can do so. All of that is in the description box. It would mean a lot. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take very good care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
मैंने सिक्के फेंके थे नदियों में, टूटते तारों से तुझे मांगा था. मैंने सपने देखे थे बस